Struggling to find time to work out? We've all been there. But what if I told you that just 10 minutes a day can help you kickstart your weight loss journey? That's right, no fancy gym memberships or expensive equipment required. In this video, we're going to guide you through a quick and effective 10-minute weight loss workout that's designed to burn calories, boost metabolism, and tone your body, all while having fun. Stick around till the end, because we've included some essential tips to make the most out of this short but powerful workout. Ready to transform your fitness? Let's dive in. Before we get started, did you know that short, high-intensity workouts can actually burn more calories than long, low-intensity sessions? Studies show that your body keeps burning calories even after you stop working out. So don't underestimate the power of 10 minutes. Warm up, getting ready to move. Every great workout begins with a solid warm-up. It's crucial to prepare your body and prevent injuries. Let's start with some light jogging in place for 30 seconds. Feel your heart rate rising? That's your body gearing up for fat-burning mode. Now move on to arm circles 10 seconds forward and 10 seconds backward. Finally, let's do some dynamic stretches like leg swings and side lunges. Trust me, taking 2 minutes to warm up properly will make your workout far more effective. Workout routine, the 10-minute plan. Exercise 1, jumping jacks, 1 minute. Let's kick things off with the classic jumping jack. This full-body exercise is perfect for getting your heart pumping. Focus on keeping your core engaged and landing softly to protect your joints. Did you know a minute of jumping jacks can burn around 10 calories? That's like saying goodbye to that extra cookie. Quick tip: want to double your calorie burn? Add small wrist weights to your jumping jacks. It's a game changer for ramping up intensity. Exercise 2, squats, 1 minute. Now, let's move on to squats, the ultimate calorie crusher. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body like you're sitting in a chair, and then come back up. Squats not only torch calories, but also build strength in your legs and glutes. Pro tip: squeeze your glutes at the top for maximum toning. Feel that burn? That's your fat crying. Think squats are boring? Try adding a jump at the top. Jump squats turn this simple move into a high-intensity fat burner. Exercise 3, push-ups, 1 minute. Next up, push-ups. This is the ultimate upper body and core exercise. Can't do a standard push-up yet? No worries, drop to your knees and work your way up. Remember to keep your body straight and avoid arching your back. Not only are you burning calories, but you're also strengthening your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Exercise 4, mountain climbers, 1 minute. Time to pick up the pace with mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and alternate bringing your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. This exercise is a double whammy. It works your abs while giving you a serious cardio boost. Keep pushing through. You're doing amazing. Feeling tired? That's your body working hard to build a stronger, leaner you. Don't stop now. You're halfway to the finish line. Exercise 5, plank hold, 1 minute. Now, let's focus on core strength with a plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position and hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging or piking. A strong core is the foundation of a healthy body, and this exercise delivers that while torching calories. Exercise 6, high knees, 1 minute. Almost there. Stand up and get moving with high knees. Lift your knees to waist level as fast as you can, keeping your arms pumping. This exercise skyrockets your heart rate, burns calories, and strengthens your legs. Don't forget to smile, you're crushing it. Did you know high knees are a secret weapon for melting belly fat? The more you engage your core, the better the results. Cool down, stretching for recovery. Congratulations, you've completed the 10-minute workout. But don't just stop. Cooling down is essential to help your muscles recover. Start with a deep forward fold to stretch your hamstrings. Then, move into a standing quad stretch for 15 seconds on each leg. Finally, end with a seated spinal twist to release any tension in your back. Take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. Remember, consistency is key. Doing this workout daily can help you burn over 1,000 calories a week. Imagine the results you'll see in just 1 month. Bonus tips for maximizing your results. Here's how to supercharge your results. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink water before and after your workout. 2. Combine this workout with a balanced diet for maximum fat loss. 3. Try to push yourself a little harder each day. Progress is the secret to success. And don't forget to track your progress. It's so motivating to see how far you've come. Here's a challenge. Commit to doing this workout for the next 14 days. And let us know in the comments how much stronger and leaner you feel. Thanks for working out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick and effective workout like this one. Remember, 10 minutes is all it takes to start your weight loss journey. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.